Looks like we got something in here. Ooh, an old Rotary. Oh, wow. This might be a piston pump. Oh, look at that. Oh, check it out. That's cool. Interesting. Huh. Oh, wow, it just underleveled. This thing's cool. This thing is old as fuck. I've never seen one with the rotary plate like that. I'll get a still photo of that. That's cool. There's your panel. Rotary. Let's look at this. I love these cab vents. See it overshoot one more time. Interesting buttons. I want to say these are like armor, maybe? Armor buttons? Oh, the cab lights dim when it starts up. It does the thing! It overshoots the floor and then levels down. This thing is cool. I like this thing. This is probably this is probably the coolest rotary I've found in Denver so far. This is cool. That was something.